Want abs? You got this. Getting abs can feel tough, right? You're not alone. It's easy to get bogged down with confusing workouts and diets. But trust me, getting a stronger core is totally achievable. We'll break it down together, step by step. No crazy diets, just simple changes and fun workouts. Ready to feel amazing? Let's go. Let's get those abs fired up. A strong core is essential for overall fitness and stability. No need for fancy gyms or equipment. Body weight exercises are amazing. You can do them anywhere, anytime. Try these simple yet effective moves to strengthen your core. Crunches. Lie down, knees bent. This classic exercise targets your upper abs. Hands behind head, gently lift your shoulders off the ground. Make sure to engage your core. Feel the burn in your upper abs. Remember, quality over quantity. Plank. Like a push-up position, but hold it. This is a full-body exercise that primarily targets your core. Elbows under shoulders, body straight. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. This works your entire core. It's great for building endurance and stability. Leg raises. Lie flat, hands under your bum. This move targets your lower abs. Raise your legs straight up, then lower them slowly. Control is key here. Feel your lower abs working. Consistency is crucial for seeing results. Keep pushing, and you'll build a strong, resilient core. Food is your ally, not your enemy. Think of it as fuel for your workouts. Here's what I tell my clients. Protein power. Chicken, fish, beans, lentils. They help build those muscles. Veggies are vital. Fill up on colorful veggies for energy and nutrients. Healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, olive oil. These are good for you. Water, water, water. Stay hydrated. It helps everything. Short on time? No worries at all. This quick routine is all you really need. Warm up. 2 minutes of light cardio, jumping jacks, jogging in place. Workout. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps of each exercise, crunches, plank, leg raises. Rest for 30 seconds between each set. Cool down. 2 minutes of stretching. Reach for your toes, gentle twists. Section 5. Listen to your body. Rest is key. Rest is an essential part of any fitness routine. It's not just about taking a break. It's about giving your body the time it needs to heal and grow stronger. Rest days are as important as workout days. They allow your muscles to repair, reducing the risk of injury and improving overall performance. Without adequate rest, you may find yourself feeling fatigued and less motivated. Your body needs time to recover and rebuild muscle. This process is crucial for muscle growth and strength. Stretching and light activities can help, but complete rest is sometimes necessary. Don't push yourself too hard. Overtraining can lead to burnout and injuries. Listen to your body's signals and know when to take a step back. Take a break. Give yourself 1 to 2 days off from ab exercises each week. Use this time to relax and recharge. Enjoy activities that you love, whether it's reading a book, watching a movie, or spending time with loved ones. Listen to your body. If you're feeling sore or tired, rest. Ignoring these signs can lead to more serious issues down the line. It's better to take a short break now than to be forced into a longer one later. Sleep well. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Quality sleep is vital for muscle recovery and overall health. It helps your body repair itself and prepares you for the next day's challenges. It helps your muscles recover and grow. Incorporate rest and sleep into your fitness plan, and you'll see better results and feel more energized. Section 6. This is where the real journey begins. You're stronger than you think. Every step you take, every drop of sweat, is a testament to your strength. Keep going. You got this. It's all about consistency. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. Some days will be harder than others, and that's totally normal. Don't give up. It's okay to feel tired. It's okay to take a break. Even if you miss a workout, don't be hard on yourself. Life happens, and it's important to be kind to yourself. Just get back on track the next day. Celebrate small wins. Every little achievement counts. Did you manage to do one more push-up today? Did you hold that plank for a few seconds longer? These small victories add up over time. High five. Stay positive. Surround yourself with positivity and people who support your journey. You're working towards a healthier you, and that's amazing. Every effort you make is a step towards a better version of yourself. Keep pushing, keep striving, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Section 7. Celebrate every step. You're doing amazing. Remember, this journey is about feeling good, inside and out. Be proud of yourself for taking care of your body. Focus on how you feel. More energy? Feeling stronger? That's what matters. Don't compare yourself. Everyone's journey is different. Focus on your own progress. Enjoy the process. Make it fun. Put on your favorite music and get moving. Section 8. Abs are great, but don't forget. Having visible abs is cool, but there's more to it. Health is wealth. Focus on feeling good and being strong. Be kind to yourself. You are awesome, just the way you are. Enjoy life. Balance is key. Have fun and enjoy treating yourself.